Welcome to our 1998 Land Rover Discovery LE 300 TDI turbo diesel.
What do we love most about this thing?
Air conditioning, it's excellent.
I also like the manual window cranks.
Window cranks are very good.
Kind of a nice little feature. You don't have to worry about electronics wearing out.
Nice.
Got a nice little cubby here. You got your glove box.
Yeah, center diff lock. Fog lights, automatic transmission, power windows.
We got how much on the clock?
Showing about 157,000. Just put a new intercooler, new turbo on it, and we did a full body respray on this thing. Everything's in great shape. We also put a tube bumper on the front that's winch compatible, and larger tires, about a 33-inch tall tire. The Goodyear Duratrack drives nice and straight. Go to a new home. This also has cloth seats, which will be, they're a little bit cooler when it's hot outside than leather seats.
I agree.
Anyway, let's take it for a quick spin. Don't forget about the tilt steering. It's very excellent.
I also like the vintage steering wheel's kind of nice.
Yeah. The pre-airbag steering wheel that you can get in the States.
Yeah, that's awesome.